Very well done. Let's try again. Squander, invest, charge, waste, hoard, spend. Squander, invest, charge, one of those. Waste, hoard, spend, one of those. Good, very quick answer from Rajan. Remember to check your answer once you've sent it. Make sure you're confident with what you've sent. Squander, invest, charge, waste, hoard, spend. Let's see what we got. Okay, Rajan's confident in his answer. That's good. That's very good. Let's see what the girls can come up with. Sophie, Lila, what have we got here? Which ones are most similar? Think about the meanings of the words as well. Use that to eliminate them. Okay, thank you, Sophie. Good. Sophie's gone the same as Rajan. Squander and waste. You're not sure? Okay. So if you're not sure, that's absolutely fine. Remember, for this is not an exam. So we can be unsure. We can afford that. It's absolutely okay. But just make sure you get it written down. So it is indeed squander and waste. They actually mean the same thing. So if you didn't know the word squander, you do now. It means to waste, to blow, right? To get rid of all of your money somehow. To invest is to spend your money in a certain way. So you can invest, for example, in stocks, in shares. What that is you put your money in, knowing that you will get some money back out. You will make a profit. To charge is to make someone pay a certain amount, and to hoard is to keep as much as possible. Okay, you don't spend anything. So squander and waste here are our most similar. Okay, and Rajan, yeah, it's a good example. I'm not sure if the girls watch football, but it's a very good example that you can use it in football. If someone misses a good chance, you say they've squandered the opportunity, they've wasted the opportunity. So thank you, Rajan, very good example. As we go through, you have any examples of context like that, feel free to drop it in the chat.